How's it going, Wavve Boating community? Adam here, and today I'm going to show you how to update the map to the draft of your vessel. So when you downloaded the application, you would have gone through the onboarding experience and probably inputted the draft of your boat that time. Wavve would have built a map for you, and voila, you're into the application. Now maybe after the fact you want to change your draft and see what happens, or you're going on to a sailboat versus you set it before for your PWC, Wave Runner, Sea-Doo, what have you. So pretty easy to execute. So what you're going to do here is head to the Me tab, tap the gear wheel on the top right, head down to settings. I'm just going to update my draft. So I'm just going to go something more intense here. Let's go 9-foot draft vessel. And boom, just like that, my Wavve Boating map is now updated to that. If I zoom in, I can see any of the depths that are 9 feet and shallower are highlighted in red. The contour coloring is updated accordingly to make it really easy for me to see where I cannot go. So again, let's just switch back over to gear wheel, settings, boat draft, drop it down to 3 feet, close. Whenever you hit the X, it's going to bring it right back to the main map. And just like that, my map is updated to the draft of that vessel, and I'm good to go. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team anytime at community@wavveboating.com. Thank you so much.